I know he wasn't a good father, but he's the only father you've got.
You are not a good person. You killed my rabbit, and you killed my brother. You're like a spoiled little baby.
He's delirious from the morphine. You understand?